Are you thinking of moving to South Florida but don't really care for living in the city, dealing with all that traffic? Check out my latest listing, the exclusive Bonterra community, 30 minutes outside of downtown Miami, 10 miles north of Doral. But before we go inside, don't forget to subscribe below, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about everything in the current market in South Florida. My name is Michael Valencia with Living in South Florida. Let's go check it out, come on. So welcome to this listing that features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, open concept with wood-like tile downstairs. You'll walk into your nice open kitchen. That'll also lead you to 2 sliding doors featuring the pool and a nice side yard that has synthetic grass. The kitchen will feature white quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and navy blue cabinetry, and 10-foot ceilings downstairs. Also, this house features wired speakers inside and outside that is perfect for entertainment. When you have friends and family over, you can all be listening to the same tunes throughout the house, including upstairs. Walk yourself upstairs through a beautiful stairwell that has laminate flooring and stainless steel handrails. The amazing primary suite has a sliding door that will overlook the pool and 2 additional windows that'll let in a lot of natural light. As you walk into the closet, is a walk-in closet that has nice brand new cabinetry all the way around for maximum storage. The primary suite's bathroom have dual vanity with white quartz countertops and a nice glass door shower. The laminate flooring is the same throughout the entire upstairs and through all the rooms. The 3 rooms will also share a dual sink bathroom. You'll walk in right into a foyer that will also feature the laundry room, conveniently located upstairs in between all the rooms. The spacious 2-car garage has 2 brand new charging ports for your EVs, overhead storage, and a brand new tankless water heater. The Bonterra community is easily located between I-75 and the Florida Turnpike, so you can be in downtown Miami within 30 minutes or in Fort Lauderdale in 35 minutes. All the schools are also A-rated in this area. The community is closed, gated, with a man guard for security that's 24/7. It features a clubhouse with a pool, a gym, a game room, an event room that you can rent out for big parties, big events. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Hialeah Gardens, Florida, and we absolutely love it. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All of the information is in the description below so we can help you make a smooth move to Hialeah Gardens, Florida.